to create an account on Instagram. So first of all, you want to go to Instagram. Once you're Instagram, at the bottom at the bottom right corner, you can see your profile. Tap on that, and at the upper right corner, you see those three lines. You tap on the three lines, and then tap on settings. And then you scroll down a bit where it says account. Tap on account, and then keep scrolling down where it says switch account type. Tap on it, and then it has two options: switch to personal account or switch to creator account. Then I'm gonna tap on switch to creator account, and that's it. And then tap on your profile once again or go back, and that's it, guys. Your account has been switched to creator account on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.